if you work for a call center, I really want to find out. I read some reviews on Indeed and Glassdoor and stuff. These people are really unhappy. I can't imagine how can you work for somebody that's ripping people off left and right. There's no reason to trick the customer. Tell them the truth. Try to save them money. Don't try to rip them off. Be ethical about your business practices. And by the way, this is my opinion, 100% my opinion, and I'm allowed to do that. It's my First Amendment right. Freedom of speech, just so you know. Okay, I make videos. This is what I do. I bring, if someone made a horrible product, or a good product for that matter, I do product reviews and services reviews. That is what I do. That is my whole thing. Probably wondering, Joe, why are you bashing the crap out of SiriusXM? Well, because, you know what? Terrible business practices is not cool. You're not supposed to be f***ing the people that you're dealing with. That's not cool. Matter of fact, I just got off the phone with a SiriusXM or Dial America customer service representative. I'm a brand new customer, and guess what? They were going to charge me $251.88 plus tax for a package, and I'm a brand new customer. Can I get a promotion? Oh, we don't have any promotions right now. Are you kidding me? Brand new customer, and they didn't even offer me any other package. They went right to the top, all access. And you know what's really interesting? I recorded the call. You know why? Because they said they're going to record mine for quality assurance. Well, I recorded it too for quality assurance. You want to hear it? You're going to laugh.
Thanks for calling SiriusXM. Your call may be monitored and recorded for quality assurance.
Same here.
Thank you for calling SiriusXM. My name is Jenny. How can I help you?
Yes, hi. I'm just calling to find out some prices for SiriusXM radio.
All right, so I'll be glad to assist you.
Okay.
So with that, okay, so let me go ahead and check on that. So I'll be placing you on hold for a minute, and I'll be right back, okay?
Okay.
The channel packages, yes, because we have all access. This is our best plan. This is $251.88 plus fees and taxes. That is good for 1 year. So for all access, that is included there.
What are the fees?
The fees in taxes is like the U.S. royalty fee.
Okay.
And yes, and with that included the radio satellite. You can do online streaming on that. Thus, you can enjoy over.
I know. Yeah, no, I know. So how much are the fees?
Okay, sir. Thank you for patiently waiting. So the all access that is good for 1 year is $251.88 plus fees and taxes. So. And no, just the amount of the package, which is $251.
I know you keep repeating yourself. I understand that. I understand that number already. I already figured out the taxes. It's $273.66. You're saying it's going to be somewhere around $300 with the fees? Is that what you're saying?
Yes, sir. Plus taxes.
I already added the taxes. $273. $273. But you're saying it'll be around $300 a month?
Roughly around, sir.
Over or under?
Over, sir.
Wow, really? Holy macaroni. That's a lot of money. Holy Christmas. You guys offer any, and since I'm a first-time caller, you're giving me there's no special promotions or nothing like that? That's crazy.
Yes, sir, because our promotion varies from time to time, and it's radio-specific, sir.
Wow. How can you work for somebody that's ripping people off left and right? And as you saw with the video before, a script on how to f people. That's not nice. So Dial America is ripping people off, plus they don't pay properly. So they're taking advantage of the customer, and they're taking advantage of the people who work for them. The commission, you're going to be blown away. You thinking, you know, since they're charging $300 for the service, guess how much the commission is per sale? $1. Oh, there's an incentive to work. $1 commission? You can go f yourself for $1. You're working your ass off. You're getting $8.50 an hour, and you're getting $1 per sale. So if you made 100 sales and you kicked ass, which is ridiculous, by the way, you already made $100. And how many hours did you have to work to make those 100 sales? To make that simple for that $100? And I'm sure you're going to get taxed on that. So he'll probably take home, or she will take home, $85 after that. That's a horrible work environment. I don't care what call center it is. You just don't, you don't screw the people who are making your bread and butter. You just don't do that. That's wrong. So the higher you are, the you treat people. And that's not right. And I find that extremely unethical. See, I'm completely the opposite. I go by the 3 Ps. It's called purpose, passion, and pride. And I take a serious amount of pride in everything that I do. And I'm very ethical in everything that I do. I suggest you fix it and do things right. Make yourself better. Capiche? Hey, you need to do this. This is the right thing to do. Be an ethical company. Again, my opinion. I'm allowed to have an opinion. So guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time.